In a market dominated by the iPads, the Android tablets are somehow thin on the ground.
But in May 2021,
BlackView, the company known for its rugged smartphones and stylish smartwatches, has released
their new budget-friendly tablet called Tab 9 in the price range under $200 American or 190 British pounds and under 180 euros,
which makes it a really attractive buy. Stay with me to find out more. Adam from Family Pop TV.
After the success of BlackView Tab 8 a couple of months ago, now we are up with the BlackView Tab 9. This budget-friendly tablet comes with a 10.1-inch IPS display and 1200 by 1920 resolution, which gives around 224 pixels per inch. The screen is super bright, the colors are excellent, and everything on the screen, whether it's videos, photos or games, whatever it is, it just looks really nice. The screen is a nice media machine. I mean, if you watch loads of YouTube, Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. Unfortunately, the lack of Google's Widevine L3 certification excludes the Tab 9 from watching in the highest possible quality, as only more expensive devices have that capability at the moment. The display is nice and the bezels are thin. Not too thin because you hold in your tablet, you do need some place to put your thumbs down and actually hold the thing. So it's got just the right amount of thickness to hold that bezel and not the touch screen. It's just overall a really nice design. The screen is suitable to use with a stylus pens, which in some cases might be better and more precise than using the finger. So it might be one of the best accessories to use with the tablet. The Tab 9 predecessor, the 2020 Tab 8, was built with the excellent quality and it's known for its durable structure. Now the Tab 9 tablet is more durable and takes it to another level thanks to the superb craftsmanship and unibody design made out of aluminium. With the Tab 9 you can choose between the colors gold and grey, which is simple and tidy. The manufacturer's brand name is affixed in the middle. There is the USB-C port in the frame of the tablet where you could plug the charger. There's a port to plug an external keyboard, which is not included, but it could be magnetically attached here. The good thing is just 8.9mm in thickness, so you can imagine how comfortable it is to hold. According to BlackView, they've been able to make the Tab 9 sturdy and durable without adding much to its cost, despite using high quality aluminium seen very often on high-end devices which are way more expensive. So if you're looking for a long-term use tablet, this robust material tablet would be a great option to consider. The Tab 9 gives a pretty good sound quality from the stereo speakers. Another good thing is BlackView adds an additional protection by bundling the tablet with a dedicated synthetic leather case for free. This case gives full protection for the tablet. It could be used as a stand as well. This is the Android tablet, so you might have some partially unoptimized, weirdly vertical, not quite right apps, which is a part of Android experience. The BlackView Tab 9 runs on Android 10, but with a new coating from BlackView known as DockOS P01. Under the hood, the Tab 9 boasts an 8-core chipset with 4GB of RAM. The Tab 9 offers enhanced graphics and performance thanks to the integrated GPU. Primary storage is 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM in capacity, which, in case if you find it not enough, it can be expanded up to 128GB using an external micro SD card. That's a load, I would say. It's enough for demanding users or gamers, considering it's a budget-friendly tablet. I expect nothing less from Blackview product. You can also make calls with the Blackview Tab 9 with a full battery charge for up to even 30 hours at a time. If you do without a memory expansion, 2 nano SIM cards can be inserted at the same time into the tablet. The second to fourth generation of cellular networks are used for radio communications, and LTE band 20 is also on board. WLAN and Bluetooth are of course also included. As mentioned earlier, you can pair the external Bluetooth accessories with the Tab 9. The camera. A single sensor and a LED flash find their place in a small camera element. The rear Sony IMX258 camera offers a 13 megapixels, which is pretty good. In my opinion, the back camera doesn't have to be a massive amount of megapixels because this is a tablet camera, but the Sony camera used in this tablet is definitely functional. And in fact, the camera you would use most often in a tablet is probably the front-facing camera, which is up here in the middle of the landscape mode, which I love because most of the time you're using the tablet like this. Blackview knows this and puts the webcam in a better place, unlike the iPad. Blackview Tab 9 has a decent 7480 mAh battery for a tablet standard. It provides 6 hours of video time, 6 hours of non-stop gaming, around 7.5 hours of web browsing, 38 hours of music or 30 hours of phone calls. This means the battery will deliver for all your needs on the go, without the necessity of being recharged quite often. The charging time will vary depending on remaining battery life. If you are charging from 0%, this should take approximately 4 hours and around 4 hours 45 minutes when you use the tablet while charging. That's not too bad considering other budget tablets might be around 5 to 6 hours. I am happy with this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Quick note, you might not be able to turn on your tablet for the first few minutes if the battery was fully drained. Conclusion. There's a growing demand for tablets for remote working and education during the pandemic crisis. For someone looking for a wallet-friendly tablet, the Blackview Tab 9 should be one of the best choices. The Tab 9 tablet is a very cool gadget. You can find everything you need for this money to comfortably use all the modern chips and features of the world of Android devices. This is a typical tablet that allows you to comfortably do your work as well as easily launch any application and games.
A couple of weeks ago, Blackview has released its new flagship tablet called Tab 10. Since its release, the price of its predecessor, the Tab 9, has dropped significantly, which makes it a really attractive buy. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that video and found it pretty informative. Please show us some love and give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to Family Pop TV.